Good morning, Kaufman. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. I'm Laura.
And I'm right there with you. And you're watching Kaufman Live.
Harrison, when I came back from spring break, it should have been spring.
But it wasn't. Out of nowhere, Ohio decided it was winter. But you know what we can always count on?
What?
It's these announcements.
So right. Seniors, are you planning on attending Miami University or Ohio State University? Are you applying for the Epstein Memorial Scholarship? This $2,000 scholarship is intended to reward students who have a strong passion for and extracurricular pursuit. Applications are available in the guidance office. All applications are due to the guidance office on March 30th. And the Rocks Cheerleading Scholarship application is due back to the guidance office as soon as possible, no later than this Friday.
Chess Club will meet in room A225 from 2:45 to 3:45 this Wednesday. And there will be an informational drama club meeting after school on Thursday in the Little Theater. If you're going to Thespian State Conference, you must attend, as important information will be discussed. All Shook Up rehearsal will continue afterward. And buy a rose or postcard at lunch this week during the NHS Rose Sale. The proceeds will support the Miracle for Madison SMA Research Fund, the Olivia Eicher Scholarship Fund, and the Matt Dodson Scholarship Fund. Help us spread the love in Kaufman. Check out, now over to Bell and to talk to Elise Nydecker here from NHS with more on the Rose Sale.
Hey Kaufman, Belle Krieber here with Elise Nydecker to ask a few questions regarding NHS's Rose Sale. So what exactly is the Rose Sale?
Well, as we said, NHS is selling roses and also postcards to support Miracle for Madison, also the Olivia Eicher Scholarship Fund and the Matt Dodson Scholarship Fund.
Sounds good. How much are the roses?
The roses are $3 each, or 2 for $5, and we're also selling postcards this year for 50 cents each.
That's a pretty good deal. Why should we buy these things?
Well, not only do we want to support our friends at Kaufman, but we're also hoping people will help us spread the love in Kaufman and send some positive notes.
All right, thanks for coming in, Elise. Now back to the desk.
Thanks for watching, Kaufman.
Have a great day.